Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find someone on Snapchat by phone number. First step is open your Snapchat app on your phone. Then go to your profile is the top left corner and tap on add friend. Next step is click on all contacts is the top right corner. Here you will find profile of saved phone number. To add them as a friend, tap add button. The people who have not linked their phone number to Snapchat or have not yet created an account will appear at the bottom and will ask you to invite them. Find someone on Snapchat by phone number. You have successfully added someone on Snapchat using just their phone number.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.